Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the Power BI and Tableau, how I have used them. So first of all, I downloaded the data from the Ontario site and the form of Excel access because .csv file was not opening in both of the software, so I used Excel access. So here I have downloaded this data. I have filtered the data according to my needs. Like I want the province to be Ontario here, and the cities I have selected here. Like I have randomly selected some of the cities because there was thousands of cities. So I have filtered the data according to my need, and I have moved it to Power BI. So first of all, I'll show you all this graph. First of all, I'll show you all this. Uh, this was the data first I made. Like the here the all the colors are being given to the different cities. Like Edison is blue, Ajax is purple, Alexander, Algonquin, Alliston, Alma. So they all are given different colors. And here is a graph. When I'll plot the graph of school number. So like school number versus the region from which region it is belonging. Like if I'll click this, the school number is given over here and the city is Brampton. Like I'll click here, school number is given and city is Burlington. But the issue is that I will not able to see the graph as this is very messy. So first of all, I have made it in the form of like this line graph only. So these are the cities. Like I have selected Edison, Alexandria, Algonquin, and this Algonquin Park. So these are the cities, city and school number accordingly that they have this much. This is city, like it's shown here in the graph also. Almer, and the school number is also given 907 and it lies between 8 million to 10 million. And this one lies between 4 million to 6 million and it is around 5.7 million. This is Barrie. I have selected Barrie as well. And this Algonquin Highland, Edison, Alexander, Algonquin. So like this, we can select this according. I have filtered this data here on the Power BI itself. We can filter the data on Excel sheet as well as we can import it to Power BI and then we can filter the data here. Here it is given the filtration and from here we can do basic filtrations. Fine. So after this, I have selected a map over which we can see the where is more density. Fine. So I can see it is near Canada only in North America region. See, then also it's showing here these Barrie lies here in Ontario, and this is Elmer in Oshawa. This is Algonquin Park. This is Algonquin Highland, and one and this is Edison in Chicago and Alexandria, and here it is Aurora. Different cities which I have selected from here is being selected over there. I can select Brampton as well. So it will show, see, it will show Brampton and the circle is bigger because the school number is very much large there. And if we see that graph which we have, see, Brampton is 35 million to 40, in between 35 to million to 40 million. That is, it's around 38 millions. So all other will become small. Before we were not having Brampton. So see how it was. Fine. So we can see like this. Fine. So two graph we have discussed of Power BI. Two will discuss of Tableau. So I'll minimize this. Open the screen of Tableau. So here I have used different. Let me move the screen accordingly. So I have selected this graph in which I have selected this is the data of coronavirus to school students. So like current school student cases are 0, and I have selected four things: current school students, sum of current. I have selected the this current total number of schools, current school closed, count of current school cases, and current school cases. Fine. So here it is showing according to different regions. Like this is, we can click on different circle. It is showing accordingly. Fine. So we can plot a graph also for this. Here it will show. Here it will show this uh, current school cases versus count of current school cases, and others are also interlinked in between. Fine. So thank you so much. That was my presentation.